guys, welcome to Cooking with the Crew, and we have a new toy.
Yay.
Yay. So we're going to actually unbox this, and we'll talk a little bit why we chose the Camp Chef griddle versus the Blackstone while we do our unboxing. Let's get started. Ready to help?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can help too.
Yay.
All right, so I'm going to start a timer to see how long this takes us.
Okay.
And on your marks, get set. Where's my start button?
It's too sunny.
Get set. Where's
It's a
my
nice
stop
day.
button? Yeah, it's
Okay, on your marks.
Summer.
Get set. Go.
All right. So we got the Camp Chef Pro 90X. It handles all the 16-inch accessories. The only accessory, well, we got this, and the reason why we went with this version is it folds up for easy transportation, and we camp, so we're going to take it camping. Another reason why we're getting this is we are a large family. We have 7 kids ranging from 3 to 16. This is one of our 10-year-olds. We have 2 10-year-old boys, 11-year-old girl, a 9-year-old girl, well, soon to be 9-year-old,
Yeah.
and a 6-year-old girl. So cooking inside is getting a little hard, especially when you got 3 boys. You know, it's getting hard to cook inside because you just had so many pans. So we thought, well, if we go with the griddle, we went with the 24-inch griddle.
No.
We'll get that out here in a little bit. We went with that first because camping we could have the extra burner on the side. But we might have to go to the 36 when we're at home to cook for everybody. We're going to see how it goes. So let's see how this works. It came a few days ago. Instructions.
Okay, so
right.
there's a handle right here.
Yep. That's styrofoam out of the way.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is not attached, so.
Okay. Put that to the side. Okay, hold on, Ann.
Any plate.
All right. You want to just put it down on the ground and lift it up?
Sure.
Grab that.
Oh, there's a handle.
Grab that end and set it down. Okay. Now,
That's good.
you want to move the box?
Can I eat it off the top, Mom?
No.
Eddie. Okay, Georgie, bring that here.
Oh my God.
Put
So-
the styrofoam in there.
One of the nice things we've seen about this is everything
Go ahead and pull that back out there.
everything is in one piece. The legs fold out, the tops, the shelves fold out to cover it. And okay, I got this in. Put your ring down. The legs will fold out. There's a handle here to carry it.
Here's the gas. Whatever it's called.
All right, so
No idea.
let's see what the instructions tell us to do. I'm assuming we just fold out the legs. First reason we went with this Camp Chef Pro 90X is because it's transportable. The low legs fold down. You can level them. It has shelves that close to cover it. There's a handle to carry it. It's because we go camping and we can take it with us. Particularly how to do it by pictures.
Can I see? I know how to see pictures. Okay.
All right. So let's
Any-
look.
Okay, it's attached here.
Okay. So I'm trying to
Show off.
Okay, I'm trying to keep it quiet. Okay. Alright, so the legs are locked in place.
Ow!
Okay, we'll get to that in a minute. Keep it wrapped. We'll get to that in a minute. See? And then you push out the legs. So I got the button pushed, so push out these legs here. These legs here.
I know, there's a button here.
I'm pushing these buttons. Push this leg out first. Okay, hold on. Oh, they're not stuck together either, so. Okay, now push that leg down. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Because the button's still. There we go.
Okay, neat.
There's one leg.
Just on this.
Two. Nope, not two. How long do these go? I just
All the way till it stops.
Okay.
Okay. Did you hear it click in place?
Yeah.
not supposed to be super tight. Okay, screw the legs.
All the way in, or
No, not yet. Screw it till you see 1, 2, 3, 3 ribs.
1, 2. That's like the.
The inside. Cool. 1, 2.
Got it.
Got it on the other one?
Yep.
All right. Now let's just pick it up here.
Please tell me that's okay.
It's okay.
I
Okay.
can't pick it up. I can't pick it up. There we go.
Can I fold these?
In a minute. It looks pretty level. Do we want to go get the
And it
level?
looks small.
No, I think it looks pretty
And it
good.
looks
Do you want to put it up higher though?
I want
No, Andy.
Yeah, how is cooking height?
to fold them.
But you don't want it too high.
Oh, that was like Oh, wait,
Yeah.
what?
Hold on. This goes up,
Oh,
locks in place, and then that holds
this.
your shelf. Unfold. Okay, Andy, do the same thing over here. Watch out, you got it locked.
That's clean. Look how shiny it is.
So
We don't
Pull it
cook
out,
on this
and then
one,
push it.
right?
There we go.
We don't cook
can I
on this one.
unfold this one?
Yep, cool.
Georgie, trash.
Okay. So those help support the shelves off to the side.
Good baby.
I don't think they'll hold a whole lot of weight, but at
Nice.
least cooking stuff. I know we don't want to put that. No.
How you get
Hold on, I
tired?
get it here in a second. Damn, said for 1 second. Okay, stop.
Where do we put this? Where do we put this, guys?
Okay, we'll do that. You're the one with the instructions. Weren't you reading the instructions?
Oh, we have it backwards, Dad. We have it backwards.
Okay.
It only says
Mom,
ones.
why I help?
No, there's instructions in there, Andy.
Why I help, Mom? Why I help?
Okay, guys, you want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, don't play with that. We need to pick up all this trash and put it inside the box.
Okay,
What's this coming?
so we put it out the back.
Gotta make sure the box is tight.
Oh,
I
wait,
know where to
where's this
put
lock?
this.
The locks are like these little things here, right?
What's this coming?
Alright, so this goes on the back.
What's this?
Yep, it's like that.
Like that. Or is it on the outside?
What's
Is this on the
What's
outside?
this?
Let's keep that because I'm not sure. Oh, that's cool.
It's on the inside. It's on the inside.
See, this is what we need. We need to find one of these so we can make a pizza.
You need more gas in
Ooh,
here.
there's a barbecue grill one, Mom.
You need no more gas in here.
yeah.
Flat top.
Okay. Like that, Andy?
And that's
This.
It's up.
Ooh.
Now we just need to hook propane to it.
I'm excited for the griddle because it offers a lot more cooking space, especially when we're camping. Camping is so difficult to cook for a large family because everybody wants bacon, but you can only cook like 3 strips of bacon and so at a time. And so this is going to offer us a lot more options when we're camping.
Does it need to refill?
Don't do this without adult supervision because you might accidentally blow up something.
Well, we got a full tank. And let's see. Turn. Okay, if you notice, I'm not one to follow instructions. Maybe I should follow instructions. Make sure I like this right.
Another reason I want to do it is because this gives us a lot more opportunity to make memories with the family and to do different cooks and different like pancake bars and all that good stuff.
And okay. Okay. Turn all burner controls to off. Fully open supply tank, which you did.
Yep.
Adjust air damper. Give it a half open position.
Open position.
Air damper.
What if this is? Oh, it's supposed to hold maybe the griddle top, maybe. I thought we'd put a steak on here, but then I was like, no,
Test. Light.
sorry. Wait, we have to light it with a match.
Oh,
Lulu, leave that stuff alone.
there is no air dampener on this one.
Where's the air dampener?
It's this thing right here, but we don't have that.
Maybe it's on the other side, maybe?
No, it'd be on the outside, but we don't have it on ours. The bad thing is they're not giving like instructions on the knobs or anything.
Oh, wait,
I already looked in there.
Georgie, get back, honey.
George, you need to stay back. Maybe I just need to bleed the.
Georgia, can you step back,
here.
please, honey? Because it's good. I know, but it's going to be fire, so hopefully.
That. Do these little holes have to do anything? Is this like a little?
That's so you can look through it.
Oh.
Or light through it if you need to.
Okay, we'll do it again.
Oh, we got it light.
Stay back, Lou. Here's that one. Turn it down. One last one.
Georgie, get back.
Woo.
I can feel the
That's
heat.
awful lot of heat.
Give me a second. Come here, George.
Turn these down to low.
About 15 minutes to first light.
All right. So we got them started. Another reason we got this was cost. While I was comparing them, the Camp Chef seemed to be a better price. We're prepping it. It looks like I guess it's ready to go. So now, let's turn that off. Boy, those flames get hot. All right, so we got this griddle. We got the 16 by 24 Camp Chef. I gotta turn it so I can cut it. I don't want to cut you. Okay, move your hand. Safety first. Right?
Yep.
What?
Okay, set it down.
Geez, this looks small.
Yep.
Small but heavy.
Bubble.
As we said, we're trying out with this because we're going to be using it camping.
What's that?
Tape, that's why.
This is not tape.
Here, George, throw this away.
Hold on, you should be able to slide it all out.
Bubble.
Not bubble.
There's a handle.
Let's go bubble.
You go all with.
Bubble.
It's going to be greasy, so don't put it on you.
Wait, why is it greasy?
Because it doesn't want to rust. They don't want to ship to you rusted, so it's protective film or film. All right, you'll put that over there on top on these last two over here.
Gently.
Okay, now this one we probably will have to do some seasoning or prepping of it.
I guess one of the reasons why I want to cook on this is because now I can make. If you guys have ever been to Who Hut, they like do stuff on a flat top griddle too, and they make rice and it cooks it in noodles too. I guess I just want to do that too. Also, I just want to make some bacon.
Okay, it's instructions on how care and seasoning. Wash, rinse, and dry thoroughly. Use mild soap, water. Never use abrasive detergent. And you can use a stiff brush. Slowly warm griddle on a pan or pan on burner. Lubricate cookware with thin coating of Camp Chef conditioner. Proper preheating will get the best performance out of your griddle. Adjust your heat to medium.
And
Mama, I have little problem here.
a little problem.
Goes on like this.
Yeah.
See, look. Goes on like this.
No, because it's got to collect the grease.
Please.
Oh, from there. Okay.
So you keep it on.
Okay, we'll just figure it out.
All right. There we go. So we got the grease trap here sold separately to catch the grease.
Catch that.
That way, when we're done with it, we clean it out.
Greasy. So wait, can the cast iron pan we have go on like that then?
Not right now. Okay, so let's see if we can light that.
Yes. Put that in there.
I don't even hear it running.
George. I'm excited for this.
I don't even hear the gas coming now. I can hear it running here, but I can't hear it running down to these other ones. I don't hear it run, the gas running at all.
What's going on? It's not even lighting now?
There's no gas coming through. Yeah, I don't even hear the gas coming.
I see Spider-Man.
We're full.
Hey, I see Spider-Man.
I need to take a break.
Ah.
Whoa.
One of the main reasons why we got the griddle was because the family's getting bigger and we want to be able to cook more food at once and not have to eat in shifts. Turn it all the way down. Alright, so now we're just going to let it set and warm up. You know, smoke a little bit because it's going to burn off the old oil and things.
Yeah, my please.
And then we will treat it with oil.
What's this for?
Those are the shelves to put stuff on when you're cooking, and also covers the burners when we're transporting.
Oh.
That way when we're going camping, we can take it with us.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then you'll cook.
Hey, I thought I was.
So what are these?
Oh,
turn
he's not
on.
gonna wanna cook
Turn
yet.
on the fire.
Yep. Then we got the fire going. There's these little peek holes right here. You can look through and see if there's flames going. You see the flames?
Yeah.
So they're burning, huh?
Yep. And cook more food. A couple more different foods like pancakes and eggs.
We use that on.
Hey guys.
Yes.
Show us again. Take 2. Hey guys, make sure to subscribe, share, and like this YouTube channel. We hope you watch more.